play, I slay. I don't walk, I strut, and then sashay. But I don't work for free, that's not the tea, hunty. So make it rain on me, and I might let you see. What you gonna let them see? My nails, hair, hips, heels, nails, hair, hips, heels, nails, hair, hips, heels, nails, hair, hips, heels. My nails, hair, hips, heels.
Hello and welcome back to another 5-minute hairstyle video. I hope you guys enjoyed this. I got this wig from Temu a while back and I was like, you know what? Let's do something a little different with this unit. And I was like, okay, let's do it. I absolutely love this unit. Like, it's so thick, y'all. This is some thick hair. I feel like Beyonce for a moment, you know, like a redhead Beyonce. But a BBW one. Okay, anyway. But I wanted to try this new product that I seen at Dollar Tree. It's called 𝒹𝒶𝒸𝒶. It's like a heat defensing spray for all hair type. It helps protect hair from moisture loss during heat styling. Baby, this is like... this is gonna do, because I don't want to damage this hair. Yes, she is human hair, and yes, I'm about to put heat to her for the very first time. It's formulated to act as a powerful shield, so pretty much like a safeguard for your hair. I'm so excited to even try this product, and no, this is not a sponsor. I'm not being paid by Dollar Tree. I'm just going the affordable way, because y'all already know, baddie on a budget, that's what I am. But anyway, let me stop talking about it and let me just show you guys this install. Please don't sleep on Dollar Tree. Baby, do y'all see this? Period. And this is the final result. I absolutely love this. First of all, let's not sleep on Dollar Tree. Let's normalize spending less on products, okay? So I highly recommend going to Dollar Tree and getting this product, okay? If you are a baddie on a budget and you like my vibe, make sure you subscribe to my channel, and I will see y'all in the next video. Bye.